There we go. Hi, girly pops. We need to have a little talk that I hope you're going to enjoy. And that is about the fact that you're so afraid of looking old that you look worse than that. You look insecure. Looking insecure is worse by a million times than looking old. Looking insecure is what you think looking old will be like. But that's not the case. Looking old doesn't even matter if you are peaceful with yourself in your life. Like looking old, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even affect you. It's not about not enhancing yourself. It's not about not taking care of yourself externally. It's that you have already done that to the max. You have already maximized that because you go and get treatments and procedures done and you still don't like how you look and you still think it's an external thing. You still think it's an external thing. So it's time now for you to learn this phrase. And that's, it gets to be good enough. It gets to be good enough. Okay? You don't have to ultimately quit aesthetics or plastic surgery or caring what you look like. No, that's not what I'm saying. But we have to morph your relationship with it. And the way that we're going to do this is for you to take a step back right now and just decide that it gets to be good enough. Like your aesthetic is good enough for you to be at peace now. Your aesthetic, however you look right now, is good enough to get you what you want. Whatever you look like right now is good enough to get you confidence. It's good enough to let you feel however you want to feel. There's nothing more externally for you to do, Muffin. There's nothing. There's nothing more for you to do. You've done enough. And don't you notice that you look weird? Something is off. Something is off. You feel like my face is deformed or like there's just something not translating. And that thing that's not translating is how you view yourself. Worth is all over your face. Worth is all over your body. It's dripping. It's dripping all over you. When you take a step back and decide that how you look right now gets to be good enough for whatever you're going for, now you have to turn your attention to other areas of your life that are not going well. There are parallel areas. There are clues, okay? There are clues, other things happening in your life right now that you're also not happy with. Maybe you're in a toxic relationship. Maybe you suck with money. Maybe you're in a job you hate. Maybe your health is not where it could be. Choose another area right now. Knowing it gets to be good enough, knowing that your looks get to be good enough, you choose another area of your life right now that's not thriving, that's uncomfortable, that's something about it you know needs to change, and you need to change it based on how it feels. If it feels stressful, if you feel insecure with it, if you feel bad, if it feels like something is bad, wrong, off, uncomfortable, that thing gets to change. Okay, so I want you to focus on this other area of your life. Fix it now. Like this is your new focus. You need to fix a different area of your life that have nothing to do with your aesthetic. That has nothing to do with your looks or aging, okay? It has nothing to do with your face. You need to look at other areas of your life now, okay? And what that is going to do, it is going to inadvertently, coming in the back end, it's going to increase your self-esteem. And when you increase your self-esteem, you look better. There's nothing more for you to do externally right now. The only thing for you to do is to step back from your looks. Let yourself know that my looks get to be good enough right now. It gets to be good enough. You release attachment and now go work on another area of your life. Are you in a toxic relationship? Like, how do you know you're in a toxic relationship? Well, it feels pretty bad all the time, or a lot of the time, or even some of the time. It feels bad. It feels draining. It seems like you were better off without the person, like before you got into the relationship. What about your job? What about your relationship with your family? Like, what is it? Because I know there's another area of your life that also sucks. And I know this because this is a core wound. Self-esteem is a core wound. So when you increase self-esteem by fixing one of these other areas, you are going to look better. But that's not the ultimate goal. The ultimate goal is so you can like live a good experience, have a good life experience. Because right now you are possessed by an idea that doesn't even exist, that isn't even real. You're afraid of the boogeyman right now. Being afraid of looking old. You're afraid of the boogeyman right now. It's an illusion that it matters. It doesn't fucking matter. What matters is power. What matters is peace. And the way that you get those two things have nothing to do with aesthetic. But when you have those things, you do happen to be attractive. So do you see how you're going about this the complete wrong way? You need to go about it the back way. By the way, if I'm not looking up here, it's because like my camera is small and it's like in the corner. It's like a wee little camera. Because let's break it down. I mean, like, what are you getting by looking young? Like, what do you get? Like attention? You can get attention in a lot of ways. You know, humans are not scientific naturally. Like, we are emotional. Okay? If you're thinking in your head there has to be some metric for attention or attraction, it's just not the case. Not to mention, attention, if you are seeking it in this way, it is ego. And ego will never make you happy. Ego will never make you peaceful. The presence of ego, untamed ego, makes you unhappy, makes you stressed, anxious. Okay, so attention's gone. Are you afraid your partner's not going to be attracted to you? You did not choose a partner based on something sustainable then. Like, even if your relationship didn't work out, you can find another relationship. Like exactly list out what you think looking old or getting old takes away from you. And then I want you to analyze that and disprove that. What do you want? Money? Fugly people all over the world have money. Like, what do you want? Like, what are you competing with right now? You have to transcend this idea. like I said, it's literally a boogeyman, because if you just look underneath the covers, there's nothing there. It's fake. It's like a fake idea. There's nothing you can't get. There's nothing you can't get. It is a control mechanism that's been weaponized against you and implanted within you to tame you. You're aspiring to something that like isn't even in the realm of like relevance. Like it's so insignificant. It's so insignificant. It's preposterous to resent or fear the human experience. It just makes absolutely batshit no fucking sense at all. Zero. It's the most inevitable and natural thing on the world, on the planet. Like, why are you afraid of your own shadow right now? It's not real. If you look into it, like list out why you're afraid and then analyze those things. You feel me? Do your homework. Do your homework and let me know how this lands for you if you feel me, okay? Love you. Love you mucho.